Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. But what could he do? साहू ने अपना मौका देखा और जुम्मन का नाम प्रपोज किया। अलगू निराश और दुखी हो गया, लेकिन अब वो क्या करे? The moment Juman became head punch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. जब जुम्मन हेड पंच बन गया तो उसने जज और अपने पद को महसूस किया। क्या वह उस ऊंची जगह पर बैठकर बदला ले सकता है? उसने सोचा और सोचा नहीं, वह नहीं होना चाहिए। Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it." Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat! This is justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch." अलगू और साहू दोनों ने मामले को बताया। मामले को गहराई से माना गया। जुम्मन ने खड़े होकर घोषणा की, "मेरा विचार है कि साहू को बैल का मूल्य अदा करना चाहिए। जब साहू ने बैल खरीदा तो उसे न कोई बीमारी थी। बैल की मौत बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण थी, लेकिन उसके लिए कोई दोष नहीं दिया जा सकता।" अलगू अपनी भावनाओं को शामिल नहीं कर सकता था। वह खड़ा हो गया और जोर से बार बार कहा, "पंचायत को विजय! यह न्याय है। भगवान पंच की आवाज़ में रहते हैं." Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a panch. A panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. इसके तुरंत बाद जुम्मन अलगू के पास आया, उसे गले लगाया और कहा, "आज मुझे एहसास हुआ कि पंच बनने का क्या मतलब है। पंच का कोई दोस्त नहीं है और न दुश्मन। वह केवल न्याय जानता है। किसी को न्याय के मार्ग से भटकने न दे और मित्रता या शत्रुता के लिए कोई सत्य को स्वीकार करे." Word meanings. Grudged means felt angry. गुस्सा आया. Second, swallowed these insults means tolerated them. उन्हें सहन किया. Third, mum means quiet, चुपचाप. Fourth, abide by means accept, स्वीकार करना. Fifth, seldom means rarely, कभी कभी. Sixth, tight spot means difficult situation, कठिन परिस्थिति. Seventh, deviate means leave, छोड़ना. Give one word for many. First, lost interest in or did not care for. The answer is became indifferent. Second, suggest someone's name for something. The answer is nominate.